Hello mga ka-journey! Welcome back sa panibagong travel episode natin. So this time, samahan niyo ako as we explore the breathtaking views and historical places of Wyoming. First stop nga namin ang Grand Teton National Park. So grabe guys, ang ganda dito. Para siyang painting. The Teton Range is one of the most photographed mountains in the US. Yung snowy peaks nila kahit summer, sobrang picture perfect. May mga hiking trails din, picnic areas, at kung fan ka ng wildlife, you might stop moose, elk, or bald eagles. Pero for now, hindi kami naswertehan to see those. Perfect to unwind and just soak in nature. So next we drop by the Jackson Lake Dam. Ang dam na ito ay built back in the early 1900s and part siya ng big irrigation project para sa mga farmers sa area. Pero ngayon, ang lakas ng dating niya as a scenic spot overlooking Jackson Lake, the mountains, and clear blue skies. Isa to sa pinaka-underrated ni stop support. Then we made our way to Mormon Row Historic District. Ito yung iconic na lugar kung saan makikita ang lumang molten barn. Sobrang sikat ito sa postcard at IG photos. Dating settlement ito ng mga Mormon pioneers noong 1890s. Ang ganda ng contrast ng old wooden barns against the Teton Mountains, parang time travel sa Old West. After that, road trip na kami papuntang Colorado. Mga ilang oras din ng drive pero sulit kasi ang next destination namin ay sobrang cool. Literally. Welcome to the National Museum of Military Vehicles. So this museum is located in Dubois, Wyoming. Over 500 restored military vehicles, weapons, and tanks from World War II. Vietnam, Korea, and Iraq wars ang makikita dito. May mga personal stories rin ng veterans na sobrang inspiring and emotional. Grabe nung nandito ako, I am really emotional reading those stories. Para akong nagbabasa ng novel from those true stories of the soldiers. It's not just a museum, it's a tribute to American soldiers. What an epic journey, diba? From stunning nature to historic landmarks to honoring our heroes, this trip had it all. Kung gusto nyo mag-road trip like this, tip ko lang, prepare early, bring snacks, and don't forget your camera kasi bawat stop talaga IG worthy. So thank you so much for joining me again mga ka-journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more travel kwentos. I put some school links for those who want to teach here in Wyoming for your future applications. Hanggang sa susunod nating episode, bye and God bless!